Welcome back, tribe. Today's video takes us to a trip at a local spot, braving the weather. Lovely weather today. Finding some snapper. Share some tips on how to check your rudder connections on your Stealth kayak. Let's dive in and enjoy the adventure. Lovely day for it.
Yeah, tiny.
Did you have any luck?
No, a couple on the side, but nothing to keep, mate.
Okay, any birds around?
No, I haven't seen any.
Alright, have a good one. Check out an eel behind us and see what we get. Been doing quite well on the kahawai with the eels. You never know. It's going to be a slog. huge fetch bait. We've got liveys out now. It's exactly what we wanted to find. Good jackies. All over the founder. So now we just need to find the kings that should be with them somewhere. A classic dropping nicer fish, but interesting hook position. I'll keep this one. Before first. Typical army bay fashion, paddle for 10 to 15 k's, come back to the boat ramp, and the birds are working right close. So let's go drop a live bait in within this group and pull out a eat it. literally 100 metres from the beach. How bloody typical. In like 6 metres of water. Oh, these guys are fat. Eek, 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 eek. Beautiful little penny. Might do something yummy with them. They are biting hard. Leaving the fish. Yeah, I use a Stealth 460, which is this guy here. It's a Fisha 460 from Stealth, a South African surf ski style kayak. It's, as the numbers say, 4.6 meters. So perfect for fitting in the garage. So that's the benefit of the 460 is that it fits in your garage. The 575, which is their biggest one, there's another meter on here, so that would be right out beyond. I've had this for a couple of years now, coming up a couple of years. Absolute weapon of a machine, love it. They come stock standard with so many bits that just make fishing from a kayak like this awesome. Live bait tank, absolute must for the kingfish enthusiast, live bait enthusiast. The multiple rod holders, different angles that you control out behind you, absolutely awesome. Probably will look at sticking some more in here because it's always nice to have the extra rods with you. It's got a good hatch at the back here that I put my bits of my gear and some of my I put my anchor in here as well, my sea anchor. All sits in behind, nice latches away. You got pedals. We're going to have a look at the pedals in a minute because we're going to do a little bit of maintenance on the rudder lines. Just see how they're looking after a couple of years. Then you got the hatch, like so. That fits fish bag, fits rods and reels. It's got my sounder cable all in there. Sounder goes through to the bottom. It's all connected for my fish finder. Nice. Got a little Burley Pro cubby on the back where I've got all my pliers and tools and the like. And yeah, that's it with the Stealth. Is such a nice piece of equipment. So what we're going to do is have a look at this thing here. So this is our rudder mount, or the rudder port. So that is where we can look at this rudder. So anytime you pull the levers over here, well, you can see that the rudder changes direction, and they are running some steel cables all the way down to this rudder mechanism here. And based on a few people's observations, it's worth checking this every so often and just making sure that the rudder connectors, little bits that connect to the rudder, haven't rusted away or aren't damaged. Otherwise, you may be out in the ocean paddling away and you pop your rudder cable, and then you've got to return home with no rudder, or a rudder that's playing a bit silliness. So let's have a look at this and we'll give it a go. Hopefully you can see it all from here. Try and get you a good view. Let's take the cover off. Oh yeah, there we go. So there's our connectors. As you can see, got a little bit of corrosion going on. Oops. That is probably not such a great thing. Yeah, look at that. So we'll clean them up as best we can. I'll probably need to go and get some new ones and recrimp that. But we'll give them a clean up and seal that down. Everything else looks alright. Cool. Let's clean it up. Right, the crimps look still okay condition. I'll probably replace them in a few months, I think. They're not rusted through or anything, but definitely was worth a look. Cleaned up most of the debris off there, got all the salt water out. Looks alright. Just retighten my rudder, make sure it's all straight. Nice little squirt. All done.